A complex dispute between the Yukon government and several independent agencies is heading to court. The case includes the Child and Youth Advocate and the Ombudsman's office. They are classed as independent offices of the Legislative Assembly. The idea is for them to be at arm's length from the government. That's because their job is to examine and sometimes criticize government policies and decisions. Historically, their budgets have been approved by a committee of the Legislative Assembly and sent to the Finance Department to be included in the spring budget. But last fall, the department decided to edit those figures and granted the offices less money than approved a committee. The offices and the committee itself complained to Finance Minister Sandy Silver. He said, effectively, too bad, we have the power to do this, citing a legal opinion from 2008. So last week, the Ombudsman and the Child and Youth Advocate filed a petition in Yukon Supreme Court. They're seeking what's called a writ of mandamus. Basically, that's when a judge orders the government to do something set out in law. The offices are concerned that the new process basically puts them at risk of retaliation from the government. Issue a finding the government doesn't like, they'll slash your budget. That's the fear anyway. The government has declined all interview requests while this matter is before the courts. They've also declined to share a copy of that 2008 legal opinion. None of the petition's claims have been tested at trial. Chris Windeyer, CBC News, Whitehorse.